Let me talk to you just for a minute. Like you, I've had many struggles in life. I was forced out of my career in, around 1997, after I had to have both hips replaced. So medical problems forced me out of my profession. And over the years, like many of you, I tried all the potions, lotions, powders and pills, auto ships, thrills and spills, and none of it worked. I made a few bucks here and there after I chased my friends and family into nearly extinction. Some of them, it literally broke our relationship. So I've been down that path. I've had the auto ships. I've done it all. Like you, like many of you, I've done all of this. And this was after being forced out of my career and unable to work because of medical conditions. I struggled. I searched for what could I do? How could I make some money? And it took many, many years. It took a lot of pain, a lot of loss, a lot of financial stress and struggle and worry. But fortune smiled on me finally, and I was able to come across a community that has a blueprint, a step-by-step blueprint working 2 hours a day that lets you build an automated system where you can make anywhere from 300 to 900 or multiples of that per day. Folks, this is the real deal. This is what I'm doing, and I'm glad to do it, and I'm thrilled to do it. And I'm so fortunate that I found this community of people that are just like us, that just want more time with their family. They want more financial freedom. They just want to not stress, struggle, and worry. It's absolutely the most phenomenal thing I've ever seen in my life because it's yours. It's 100% commission. Put yes in the comments and find out today.